Hello, I'm Christy Fleetwood, president of the Naturopathic Medicine Institute. The NMI hosts the Vital ND YouTube channel to educate medical practitioners and the public about vitalistic naturopathic medicine. The genius of naturopathy is the understanding of the conditions that create and restore health. Thinking like a vitalist is a repeatable process that consistently removes obstacles to cure, thereby restoring the sick to health. Explore our feature channels hosted by Naturopathic Medicine Institute founders, fellows, and vitalists. This senior team earned their credentials by completing the Naturopathic Medicine Institute's postdoctoral program. Check out our playlist. See our favorite videos from the entire team. Discover how we employ our healing arts to reverse chronic disease, healing body, emotions, mind, and spirit. Find a vitalistic naturopathic doctor by visiting us at naturopathicmedicineinstitute.org. You're also invited to become an NMI associate, gaining access to even more natural healing education.